Ever been in that one situation when you really need a webcam and decide to go to Amazon or AliExpress to look for the cheapest webcams available, and the cheapest you see with good quality at that is just about $90 to $100. In worst case scenarios, $200. Well, $200 for a webcam is actually crazy. But what if I told you that you could use your phone as a webcam in 2025 to attend Zoom meetings or even live stream your videos if you're a streamer? And it's actually pretty easy. It won't take up to 3 minutes to set up, but I'm going to break it down for you guys step by step on how to do so. And without wasting any more time, let's get started. So what you want to do would be go to the Play Store on your Android device or App Store if you're using an iPhone, then search up Camo Camera. And then you'd see the app right there by Reincubate, and you click install. After this is done installing, you then do this, go to your PC. So the first thing you'd like to do is search up Camo Studio PC download, and alternatively you could just go straight up to the Microsoft Store and search up Camo Studio, but I'm doing this for those people who actually have like problems accessing the Microsoft Store. This is an alternative to that. You can either get from Microsoft Store or you could just download it straight up from their sites, which is this. Since you're using PC and Windows to be precise, you can just do this and your program would start downloading immediately. And alternatively, if you're using a MacBook, you can just download it straight up from this site too. You can see download from Mac OS. It's actually not hard at all, and yeah, that's basically it. So after Camo Studio is done downloading, you would want to install the setup. Just press install, and next a prompt will come up, and it's pretty as easy as that. And Camo Studio should start installing, whether it's a MacBook or Windows, it doesn't really matter, it's going to work. And you just wait for this to finish installing, and then you press launch Camo Studio. And ensure that you also have Camo Studio installed on your phone. You can easily find that from the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android. So when you first open Camo Studio or Camo Camera on your Android device or iPhone, to ask you for some permissions, and you just have to allow while using the app and allow while using the app, and that's basically it. Getting started, give you some set of instructions which I'll explain in the video. And yeah, welcome to Camo Camera and Camo Studio on PC and Android. Let me just show you guys how to set this up real quick. So the first thing you want to do would be click the Wi-Fi icon in Camo Camera just by the right side, and to bring you to this QR code scanner. Then once you're done with that, you go back to your PC and then you click that side that says integrated camera, and you try to click pair device. It's to bring out the QR code that you need to scan. You need to make sure both your Android device and your PC are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and once that's done, it's as easy as just doing this. You scan the QR code, and once you scan the QR code, it should connect to Camo Studio on your PC. And just give it a little bit of time, and yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, my phone is now the webcam for this PC. You can use your phone as a webcam. Whatever I show the camera, it's going to be used as a webcam. This is just pretty amazing, isn't it? There are lots of capabilities with this. You can now use your phone as a real webcam. All you just have to do, you can also use the selfie camera, by the way. You have lots of other options to choose from. Let me show you what the capabilities of Camo Studio are exactly. So as you guys can see, this is the webcam of my phone. This is my phone. Whatever my phone sees, my laptop sees, and I can now use my phone as a webcam. Just to show you guys, make it clearer, this is my phone and I'm using a tripod stand. You can actually get this off AliExpress for just like $2, I think $1 right now, and it's actually that easy. And there are lots of stuff Camo Studio can actually do. For example, you can use your rear camera or front camera. Take for example, this is the front camera. And yeah, there's nothing in the front right now, so that's why I'm showing that corner right there in front of the camera. But you can also choose to use a selfie camera, which is this. And it's literally that easy. It also comes with lots of customizations. Take for example, look at this. You can use, what's this called? This is portrait mode. This is portrait mode, and that's if you want to make it look like, okay, it's actually a portrait camera. And then also you can use this. This is for privacy, it blurs out everything in the background. I don't actually see a practical application for this, but it's useful, I guess. And then also this last one, replace. Yeah, I think that's for something else entirely, but you can either use any of these during your Zoom meetings to try and blur the camera background, or try and just use it as it is right now, which is actually pretty awesome if you ask me. And what else can you do with this? Okay, you can also use some of these presets that come with it. You can use this or this or this. Like, there are lots of presets to choose from. Camo Studio is actually just really amazing, and it's pretty cool if you ask me. There are lots of stuff you can do with Camo Studio, and you can just explore to like get the full benefits of everything. And then lastly, there is the Camo Studio Pro. That's if you're looking for the free full version. Forgive my English. And so if you want to use that, it's actually not necessary, because this gives you everything you're looking for, and this app is totally free, even on the MacBook or Windows-based PC, Android or iPhones, whatever it is, it's free. So yeah, now you know how to use your phone as a webcam. So yeah, if you actually want to apply this like as your main camera or in a Zoom meeting or your webcam when streaming videos, it's actually not that hard. Take for example, just open the camera app on Windows and it should automatically be using your main camera, your phone camera as your webcam on your PC. And whatever effects, whatever changes you make on Camo Studio would actually appear here. Take for example, look at this, let's use the frame. So yeah, you can see my PC camera is now recognizing the frame too, and whatever effects I use, you can see that that's a guy, and that's actually pretty cool if you ask me. Whatever effects, whatever changes that's happening on the main camera also happens on the PC, so you can actually enjoy using this as your main camera. It's pretty cool, isn't it? So now you guys know how to use your phone as a webcam on your laptop and or PC. Even a MacBook actually works. You can try this out if you guys are willing to do so, and it's actually pretty easy. Hope you guys learned something today and hope it was actually easy for you guys to use and set up. I'm that tech guy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to know how to use the DualSense adaptive triggers on PC, you can watch a video that's just by this corner right here. See you guys soon. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.